Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sonam and today I have a new beauty subscription named as Purple Glam bag. They typically send 4 to 5 makeup plus skincare products, and in this May edition all are full size products and we have a piece of jewelry too. The total worth is above 1500, but the bag has a very affordable price tag of $4.99 including shipping. So without any further ado, let's get started.
Please click the red subscribe button and the tiny little bell button right next to it so that you don't miss any of my videos.
So this is how the package has reached me. Even the outer courier packaging is kind of colorful and pretty. And inside we have everything quite nicely bubble wrapped. And these are all the products inside. So at first we have a sequence pouch like this. It is definitely very pretty, something that you can actually carry outside, or at least keep all your essentials inside a bag. It is looking very pretty and a gorgeous party wear kind of pouch. Let me remove everything so that you can see it clearly. So this is how the pouch is. Very pretty, I did like it. A glamorous pouch here, good quality actually and quite spacious too. Now moving on to the products, this has come bubble wrapped. So here we have a product from e.l.f. This is the all over color stick in the shade Permission. They have 2 color variants as shown on the screen here, and this product has net weight of 4 grams. Here are the directions for use and all the details about the product, and you have to use it within 12 months of opening. Well, this brand is an affordable US brand, but in India you get e.l.f. products at very high prices. So getting it in a subscription box this affordable is definitely a really good thing. So let's open and see how the shade is. So this is how the packaging is. Actually I like the packaging, it's very cute. And this is the quantity you get. So it is 4 grams and it has a very nice retractable packaging. So if you're traveling, this is a really nice easy highlighter to carry, because the powder highlighters might get damaged on transit. So this is how the shade is. I feel this is a highlighter that will suit fair skin tones more, because it is more towards a whitish color. It has a very light pink tinge to it, and this blends pretty well. As you can see, there is no color left over, but just a little bit of sheen on my skin. So blending is really nice. As such, whatever e.l.f. products I have used so far, they are of really good quality, and same applies to this product. Well, after the blending is done, I feel this is something that I can use at least below my brow bones for the highlighting part. And cream highlighters are really nice for dry skin people, and if you're looking for a dewy skin makeup, especially during winter time and all. So I feel you should have a cream highlighter even if you have a powder highlighter. So this is a good product. I liked it, especially because it blends into skin so seamlessly. Then the next product here is a skincare essential during summers. So this is from the brand Vagat's Khadi India Ayurvedic Sun Protection Sunscreen Lotion with SPF 30 with citrus and tomato extracts, 100 ml. And here are all the active ingredients mentioned and the directions and the claims. This is not an organic product. You can see parabens in the ingredient list. Well, net volume is 100 ml and MRP is 133 rupees. Best before 36 months from 3/2018. So this is actually a new brand for me. This is another Khadi, not the usual Khadi that I have received. There are many Khadi brands actually, but getting a sunscreen is definitely good during summertime. I will be using it on my body since it has parabens. But here in the directions it says apply on cleansed face. So this is a face sunscreen. So if you're okay with this being non-organic, you can definitely use it on your face. For me, I feel this is a good product to receive during summertime, because you really have to lather in a lot of sunscreen throughout your body whenever you're going out. So I don't use normal body lotions during summertime. Whenever I'm going out, I apply tons of sunscreen on my body. So definitely I'll be using this. Then next we have a very well-known product from Monsup, a known brand and a known product. This is the 3-in-1 mask in the pearl variant. It says 3D hanging ears, face and neck mask plus essence series, pearl revitalizing 3D hanging ears, face and neck mask. The claims are lightening, brightening, revitalizing, lifting and firming. It has vitamin C essence, which is really good for lightening your spots and making your skin even toned. This is how the mask would look. And the cost of this is 250 rupees, best before 2019. And here are the effects, ingredients and all the usage details etc. mentioned, along with some tips. So this is something that I've already used. I like it. I like most of the amounts of masks, and this is definitely one of my favorites. So I liked receiving it. It is definitely good to get something soothing and relaxing during summertime. You would definitely love using this. Then next we have another product from the same brand, Bhagat's Khadi, and this is the natural body scrub with kiwi and grape seed, 100 grams, full size tub, and price is, okay, it's mentioned here, it's 93 rupees. So a very affordable brand. Expiry is in 2021, and here are all the details and the ingredients mentioned too. Packaging is nice. And this is how the product looks like. This actually looks like the usual scrubs that we see from Himalaya, Everyouth and all. It has a bit of citrusy fragrance. Fragrance is good. In fact, it has the fragrance of grapes, I feel. So here in the ingredients, I actually don't see any chemicals or parabens, etc. So for body, I think I will be using it. It has a bit of bigger granules, so it will help in scrubbing the dead skin cells and making my skin more smoother. So I am definitely happy with this product. And then, as I told, this month there is a piece of jewelry too, and this product is size and color customized. Here you can see I have given the size 2-4, and I have also chosen the shade or the color of my bangles. So here I have a pair of dark pink silk thread bangles. I really like it. The design and everything is really pretty. I really like silk thread jewelry nowadays. It fits me perfectly. I like the size. I like the simple and nice design. It has this pretty stone pattern on it, as you can see. So these are stuck and stitched into the bangle. Looks very pretty. I do like the color. I have a lot of outfits in pink, like suits and kurtis and all, and I definitely liked it. So that was all in the May Purple Glam bag. Well, as per the review, I liked it. As a new bag, they have done the curation quite well. We have some branded products like the e.l.f. highlighter or all-in-one color stick. You can use it for different purposes actually. That's why they have named it all-over color stick. But mostly it's a highlighter. Then we have some essentials like sunscreen and body scrub and all. So overall it's a good combo. They do have a website, so placing order is convenient and comes with safe and multiple payment options. Their long-term plans are actually more cheaper. It goes down up to $3.99 including shipping per month. And as a startup, they have launched themselves in a very professional manner. I do appreciate that. So I see good potential for this subscription in future, and I am surely looking forward to their future creations. So if any of you guys are interested in ordering this bag, then please check out the description box. You'll find all details there. You'll also find links to the giveaways running on my channel currently. If you haven't already, then please do check them out and participate. They are very simple. All you need to do is subscribe to my channel and you can be the lucky winner of a beauty subscription or a jewelry subscription box. So I hope you liked this video, and if you did, then please don't forget to give this video a like and some love in the comment section below. It will definitely encourage me to get newer subscriptions on my channel for you guys. And if you haven't already, then please do subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate it. It is absolutely free, but it would mean the world to me. So that's all for today. I'll see you again next time. Till then, take care. Bye.